Embark on a sacred journey through 7 divine Vishnu temples across India, where devotion meets timeless architecture, and every shrine whispers the presence of the Eternal. Tirupati Balaji, also known as Sri Venkateswara Temple, is one of the richest and most visited temples in the world. Devotees offer their hair as a sacred vow, and the famous Laddu Prasadam is cherished by millions. The day begins with Suprabhatam at 3 am, followed by Tomala Seva and Archana. Sarva Darshan starts around 7:30 am, drawing thousands into divine presence. Located in Andhra Pradesh, the temple is easily accessible via Tirupati railway station and bus stand. Pilgrims often walk uphill as an act of devotion. Padmanabhaswamy Temple, located in the heart of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, this temple blends Dravidian and Kerala architectural styles, radiating grandeur and devotion. The temple is famed for its immense wealth, discovered in hidden vaults, and remains one of the richest temples in the world. Darshan begins early, with Mangala Aarti at 3:30 am, followed by morning sessions till subah ke 7 baje. Evening darshan resumes from 5 pm to 6:15 pm. Easily accessible from Thiruvananthapuram Central Railway Station and KSRTC bus stand, the temple is well connected by autos and taxis. Entry is restricted. Badrinath Temple, nestled in the Himalayas at 3,300 meters, is one of the holiest Char Dham shrines dedicated to Lord Vishnu. The deity sits in a meditative posture, radiating peace and divinity. Puja begins at 4:30 am and continues till 8:30 pm, with rituals like Abhishek and Shayanarti. The temple remains open only from May to November. Reach Badrinath via Rishikesh or Joshimath by road. Shared jeeps and buses are common. Carry warm clothes, check weather updates, and prepare for high altitudes. The journey is challenging. Dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Vishnu, the temple is unique for worshipping the deity alongside his siblings, Balabhadra and Subhadra. The temple is renowned for its annual Rath Yatra, where massive chariots carry the deities through the streets, drawing millions of devotees. Another rare tradition is Navakalibara, where the wooden idols are ceremonially replaced every 12 to 19 years. The temple's kitchen is among the largest in the world, preparing Mahaprasad for thousands daily. Darshan timings begin at 5 am and continue through the day, with special offerings like Bhoga Mandap and Sandhya Dhupa. The temple closes around 9 pm after the Shayanarti. Puri railway station is just 2 kilometers away, and the temple is well connected by buses, autos, and cycle rickshaw. Sri Ranganathaswamy Temple, located in Srirangam, Tamil Nadu, is the largest functioning Hindu temple in the world. Dedicated to Lord Vishnu in his reclining form as Ranganatha, it is one of the 108 Divya Deshams and a deeply revered Vaishnavite shrine. The temple sits on an island formed by the Kaveri River and features 7 concentric enclosures. Darshan begins at 6 am and continues till noon, then resumes from 3 pm to 9 pm. Special sevas like Vishwarupa, Tomala, and Archana are performed daily, drawing thousands of devotees. Srirangam railway station is just a kilometer away, and Trichy Central bus stand connects pilgrims from across Tamil Nadu. Autos and taxis are easily available. Visitors must dress modestly, dhotis for men and saris or salwars for women. Photography is restricted inside, and the Dwarkadhish temple, located on the western coast of Gujarat, is a sacred shrine dedicated to Lord Krishna, worshipped here as the king of Dwarka. It is believed to be built over Krishna's original residence, making it one of the most revered Char Dham pilgrimage sites. The temple stands 5 stories tall, supported by 72 intricately carved pillars. Its towering spire and fluttering flag symbolize Krishna's eternal presence. Pilgrims come to witness the divine aura and offer prayers in this ancient coastal city. Darshan begins at 6:30 am and continues till 9:30 pm, with Mangala Aarti at 7 am and Shayanarti in the evening. Dwarka railway station is just over a kilometer. Welcome to Ananthapadmanabha Lake Temple, the only lake temple in Kerala, nestled in the tranquil village of Kumbala. Floating in the middle of a serene pond, this sacred shrine is believed to be the original seat of Lord Padmanabhaswamy before his manifestation in Thiruvananthapuram. The temple is steeped in mysticism, with its most beloved guardian, Babia, the vegetarian crocodile, who lived peacefully in the temple pond for decades, untouched by time or fear. Devotees speak of the temple's calming energy and its deep spiritual resonance. Darshan begins at 5:30 am and continues till noon, then resumes from 5:30 pm to 7:30 pm. Special rituals are held during Ekadashi and festive days, drawing pilgrims into its quiet embrace. Visitors of all faiths are welcome here. Footwear must be removed before entering, and early mornings offer the most peaceful experience. Respect the sanctity of the lake and